Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be short and sweet. We're going to do a course preview for our $10 Tuesday RC competition 24 scale here at my house. So without further ado, let's get into the course preview. All right, starting off, we're going to go through these green gates up and over what I call Marblehead. Going to skirt down the backside of Marblehead, go next to the lava rocks, and through this small little boulder field, up and over this belly catcher rock, up and over through here, over the rock mountain, make the sharp turn, come up this side hill, over this rock, through this set of gates, have to navigate those two rocks there, make the turn, come up and through, we're going to turn. Once we make that turn, we climb up to the bridge, to the natural bridge, make the turn down the back side of the natural bridge, through this tippy section, through the notches, up over the concrete section, through the red final gates, all the way to the end. I'm not sure what's going on with this line on the screen, so sorry about that, but there's going to be names for all this stuff at some point. This course is going to change every week that we do a competition here, so this is my first time having a competition. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that course preview. Let's get into the comp.